Which one is better? SMS, email, or WhatsApp marketing? Well, let's take the SMS out because SMS marketing is dead. When it comes to the email marketing, the opening rate is only 10 to 15%, even if your email is great. However, if you lead your marketing with value, you don't spam people, you just create a good value message which gives some value to other people, then your WhatsApp opening rate could be even go to up to 90%. It means if you send a good value driven message to 100 people, more than 90 people will open it and few people might respond as well. So my word is to WhatsApp marketing, because now you see big brands like Make My Trip, Zomato are shifting to WhatsApp marketing. Why? Because everybody is using it for their day-to-day working as well. And we get a WhatsApp notification when we get a WhatsApp versus most of the time we do get notification when we get an email. So if you want to truly double your business, double your sales, start doing WhatsApp marketing. Follow me for more tips.